so let's talk about this little garlic mincer tool. I actually absolutely love this. I'm not a fan of cutting garlic, so when I do need to chop it or mince it, I get this out. So it does have two wheels. You can open it right here, and this is where you're going to put your garlic. Cleaning it is also easy. There's a lip right here that you can actually open, and this blade does come out, and it has the little ridge right here. So this is what actually chops it. So I can go ahead and let's see what that looks like. I've had this for quite a few years. It's super durable, really easy to use. All you're doing is applying light pressure and just rolling it, and it chops it all for itself. Now cleaning this, right? I've hand washed it and I've put it both into the dishwasher. The only thing I would recommend is not putting this blade in the dishwasher, just because it can fall, and fall out. So I do hand wash this part, but both of these parts I do go ahead and put into the dishwasher, and it's been very clean, or I can go ahead and hand wash it. But look at that garlic.